Welcome back! We're back at the farm. It's pouring hard with rain and I'm not sure what the forecast is for the next few days. Rain, according to old Tina weather forecast over there. This visit we're doing electrics. I'm not going to do a how-to or anything because French electrics are something else, and according to Dad they keep changing the regulations, so it's forever changing. But we're gonna get rewiring, so that's bloody marvellous. Tina is just about to install her drawer tidy. I think that's the most excited thing most excited thing? I think that's the thing she's most excited about. I think it's something to do with her OCDs, because you have got OCDs. You have. She wants to have everything all, you know, laid in the right direction and that. But it's a good idea because you can always find stuff when you need it. It's not this visit they're coming for the internet, is it? It's next week.
Next week, yeah.
Yes, big news. Next week we're getting the internet connected. We have got a telephone wire and 2 boxes in the house, but they're sending out an engineer. For they might have to activate us in the box down the road or something. So we're gonna have internet, and not only internet, VDSL. What did they say? Up to 45 meg download.
Something like that.
And up to 10 meg upload. So up to 45 download and up to 10 upload. At the other house we're on VDSL, we're up to 65 download and 17 upload. But when we was on ADSL, we was on 14 download and 0.9 upload, which is what used to take me about 10 hours to upload a YouTube video. So we're going to be able to do it just as quick when we're here. And
it's going to work out cheaper than the way we're doing it at the minute.
Yes, so we can do away without the airbox, which is just a little thing. It's got a 4G SIM card in it and you have data on it, and that's because we've upped it to 25 gig a month. That's costing quite a bit of money. So once we're on the internet, we can unlimited internet, and we can bring the smart TV over and have Netflix or whatever, YouTube.
You're waiting for me to pull it out as well. Yay! Tiny! I don't know that it's going to need it.
That's not the one trimming down, is it?
I don't know, because it does. Once I've got stuff in it, it might be alright. It's sitting a little bit on the wonk, because it is just a little bit too wide. You see?
So it just wants the slightest fraction trimming off the edge.
Yeah.
Is it exciting?
Yeah. Yeah.
How exciting is it, Tina?
Very exciting. Start of a new kitchen. Nice and tidy. All things in their place. Yes! Some of these bits might have to stay in other drawers, but I thought spoon. And we shall soon fill it up.
Is this better than Christmas?
Yeah. You should have saved it for Christmas. It's almost as good as putting the decorations up.
Has this got anything to do with your OCDs?
I'm not OCD. I have nothing. I do not have OCDs.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I've seen the pantry.
You haven't seen it for a while. It's a right bloody mess. And we've still got spare slots.
No!
Not for long, not for long. I like my knives. There's room for more than 2 peelers. Yeah, I can still see me needing at least one more. Thank you.
It's okay.
I know you think it's hilarious.
Anyway, we'll catch you tomorrow when we're getting on with some work. Dad's been here for Tuesday, Wednesday, and he's just gone Thursday lunchtime. So we've had a couple of days doing electrics. You can't really, it's like Dad said, he's spent a couple of days working, but you can't really see where he's been. But we've got sockets in the walls, wires running up. Most of the work he's done is under the floorboards. This wall here was pretty hard. We had his big old SDS drill, but there was a big lump of stone right in the way. Anyway, we've got that done, but as was said, most of the work he's done is under the floor. All nicely tacked up on the beams underneath, so we've got all the wiring in place for the kitchen, all the wiring in place for the bedroom, wiring in place for the office, and so there's that room and the bathroom to do. But being as we've got to take the floors up in the bathroom and that room, he's going to do the electrics then. So that's pretty much it. So that just leaves us to get packed up and get shifted on over to the other house. And then we're back next Monday for the internet and delivery for the bathroom. Got the new floor for the bathroom and sand, gravel and some wooden beams for the floor in that room. They're coming Monday. Tuesday we're going to go to Limoges and pick up tiles for the bathroom, the floor and the wall. So all we need for the bathroom is a shower, the towel rail, lights and an extractor fan. I've only said that because that'll remind me that we need to buy those things. And that's pretty much about it for this visit. We're going to get wrapped up and be on our way. And Hopefully there's no blockades on the way home, because last time we went home from here it took us about 4.5 hours, which was an absolute pain in the arse. Hopefully we get home in 2 hours today, and we've got deliveries coming to the other house, which is what we've got to go back for, and then come back here after the weekend. So it's all good stuff, keeps us on our toes, and that's pretty much all I've got to say really. Short and sweet this vlog. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, that helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and Tina, if she's out there with the dog somewhere, it's bye for now.